Hello everyone and welcome to Kantan Japanese. Today's lesson will be about this. Will be about writing. This means writing. But actually it will be about how to write in Japanese on your computer. Okay, writing in Japanese on your computer is very easy. Just follow those simple steps. First thing you want to do is you want to take your mouse all the way down at the bottom of your screen and right click your language bar over here. This is your language bar. So right click it and then you will click here on properties. This. Then this will show up. This is all the languages you have on your computer. So what you want to do is you want to click on this one, which means add. And then you will go all the way down to the language you're looking for, in this case, Japanese. So you click Japanese and then you will click OK. Now I won't do it because obviously Japanese is already installed on my computer. And then you will click on OK again. And then that's it. Japanese will be installed on your computer. Now I will guide you through how to type in Japanese. But before that, oops, I shouldn't see that. Before that, by pressing Alt and either left shift or right shift, you can cycle through your languages. So this is in Japanese right now. So if I change, it's going to French, English, Chinese, back to Japanese. So it's very useful to know. It's much faster than always clicking here and selecting your language manually. So, all right. So, in order to write in Japanese, you have to write in syllables, just like you've seen in my video about katakana and hiragana. If you haven't, please check them out. Now, imagine I want to write the word sword. So, I'm going to write K-A. So you see, by typing K-A on my computer, the software automatically converts the Romaji, the K-A, to the corresponding hiragana. So after that, T-A automatically, and N-A. So katana, katana, which means sword. Now, if you want to write your word in hiragana, then you can just press enter, because right now your word is still active, as you can see this little line underneath it. So if you press enter, that's it. Now you're free to you got your word in hiragana. Now if you want to write the kanji for sword, for katana, so you will write katana again, K-A-T-A-N-A. And then instead of pressing enter, which means you're done, you will press spacebar, and then you will get the kanji, the corresponding kanji. So you see, it's really well done. Okay, now imagine that you have sensei. Now sensei can have many different meanings depending on the context. Many different homonyms, if you wish, if you will. So by pressing spacebar, no, in my example, I want to use sensei as the teacher. Sensei can mean teacher. So let's press spacebar and see what happens. So this time it's showing up properly, but if you press spacebar again, so by pressing spacebar again, you get all of the different words for the hiragana you've typed. So all of those mean sensei over here. So then you can just select which word you want by pressing the corresponding number. So in this case, I want this one, which means teacher. So I'll press 1. So you see, and then you have your the correct word. And then by pressing enter, because it's still active, there you go. You got your word in kanji. Last thing I want to talk about is something very useful. Might take a little while to load now. Okay, so this is so useful. It's a wonderful tool, and I'm surprised not many people know about it. You can write your kanji in this box, and they will show up over here. I'll show you what I mean. So, all right. Usually, it's good to have a tablet, like a Wacom tablet, to write the characters, because it's kind of slow if you use your mouse, and it doesn't look good. See, that's pretty bad, but I just want to show you how it works. And see, then the kanji you're looking for shows up over here, and then you can just click it and it shows up over there. And this software is actually really good. Even if your kanji doesn't look that great, it'll give you many possibilities over here, and you can choose the right one. So this is very useful because, I'll press enter because it's still active. This is very useful because if you're reading the newspaper or a manga and you don't know how to type the kanji, then you can just write it here, and then you can just select it, copy it, and then go on the internet and then search it in an online dictionary, and then there you go, you have the meaning for this kanji. So once again, this is very useful. Use it, you'll see, you won't regret it. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Have a good one.